So we're going to use the mirror command to reproduce the left hand side and make the right hand side of our bracket drawing. It doesn't look much like a bracket at the moment, but it soon will. Now if we're using the ribbon menu up here in our modify commands, machine's a bit slow this morning. There we go. Looks like a sailing ship, the mirror command. So we click on that. First of all, we select the objects using our usual selection techniques, just using a crossing window there. Now the important thing when we're using mirror is that we lock onto points on the screen, so that we make sure that the finished object is exactly in the right position. You can't do it by eye. You have to use object snap. So we've selected our objects, we press the enter key to get to the next stage, and it's asking us to specify the first point of the mirror line. So it's always better to, unless you're using a snap point, to use an object snap point on the object. So we'll click on the start point, click on the end point, and it asks us a question: do we want to erase the source objects? In this case it's no, because we want both sides, the start and the finish. And there we have our mirror.